Today we are talking about 5 ways to make your teen a money master. Before we start with the video, don't forget to hit the subscription button right away so you never miss out on our latest videos. Ditch the paper bills. Consider a prepaid debit card or money management app. These tools let teens track spending, set goals, and even earn rewards. Work with your teen to create an allowance system that incentivizes responsibility. Maybe it's tied to chores or good grades. This is a real-world money management experience that mimics adult tools, setting them up for success later. It opens the door for conversations about budgeting and financial responsibility. Level up your family grocery trip. This time, your teen takes the lead. Challenge them to create a shopping list and budget using online deals and in-store comparisons. This teaches budgeting, smart shopping, and even some fun negotiation skills, within reason. It's also a great opportunity to discuss healthy eating habits and responsible spending. Ready to encourage your teen's entrepreneurial spirit? Explore side hustle options. Brainstorm together. Mowing lawns, tutoring, or selling crafts online are just a few ideas. This teaches the value of hard work and the satisfaction of earning their own money. You can even offer to match their savings, giving their goals a boost and fostering a sense of teamwork. Does your family have a collection of unused subscriptions draining your budget? Team up with your teen for a digital wallet detox. Review all subscriptions, streaming services, games, etc. Ask them, do you really use this? Cancel unused subscriptions together and watch the savings pile up. This teaches responsible spending and avoiding impulse purchases, a valuable life skill. Help your teen set a financial goal. Maybe they want a concert ticket or a new gaming console. Work together to create a savings plan. Track progress with a fun chart and celebrate milestones. Learning to save for their own goals builds self-discipline and teaches the power of delayed gratification. This is a fantastic opportunity to discuss the importance of long-term planning and responsible budgeting. Did you learn something new? Drop a like. Share your top tips for teaching teens about money in the comments.